Right, I've been in contact with the this customer of this speaker. He was going to replace the surrounds, but decided that it probably wasn't worth it, and he didn't want to sort of unstick them all and damage the cones and end up with the speakers that are totally useless. And he said, is there any other options available? And there is. This option I choose as a last resort. Obviously, he's quite happy for me to go ahead. I've cleared it with him, and he's willing to give it a try so we can improve it. What the problem is the voice coil is rubbing against the magnet, and it's only in one place. So basically, the problem is that the voice coil isn't central to the flux gap between the magnet and the voice coil. So what I need to do is move the coil left, right, up and down one way to try and get rid of this buzzing sound, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. I'll put a lower frequency in here that the camera can't pick up, because it's sort of, I'm putting in 44 Hertz from the Rogan Shorts audio generator, but you will be able to hear the buzz, obviously, because that's the underlying problem with the thing. You'll be able to hear the buzz, and you should be able to hear the improvement it makes. So let me just show you what it is. You can hear that buzzing sound. Now if I run my finger around the side of the suspension, makes it worse, and at one point makes it better, and it's about there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pair of pliers, and this is the last resort. I only do this on speakers that are sort of like beyond the pale sort of thing. If I get a pair of pliers in here and apply slight pressure each side, and just get in between here and just apply a bit of twisting action, it will twist the whole chassis of the speaker in theory, and possibly, maybe, doesn't always work, get rid of this buzzing noise. So let me just have a little tweak here. It's making a very slight difference, but this is quite a solid speaker, and as I say, this is a last resort, and obviously you're doing this for a customer, you have to clear it with them. Not making an awful lot of difference there. That is. It's going to have to go quite a way, but you can hear that buzzing went away. There you go. Clear. See, it's still working, but the buzz has gone. So just run round again just to see if it's sort of fairly uniform. I would say that was a pretty good repair, even if it was a bodge. So that is one thing to do. You could just go around the side of the speaker, just bend it slightly out of line, and you got a speaker that will work for, well, as long as you look after the speaker and don't expose it to high UV or direct sunlight on the voice coil, on the speaker cone. Don't overdrive these old speakers. These old speakers weren't designed to have huge powered amplifiers. Don't lend them to your sons and daughters for their parties, because these old classic speakers can't put up with that sort of thing. They're not designed to take the modern music with its square wave inputs. That's extremely hard on any speaker. The modern speakers are designed to put up with that sort of abuse. These speakers were designed to listen to status quo and things like that, about as most severe they got to. Anyway, hope that was interesting. I hope the customer will be happy. Speaker's fixed. Thanks for watching.